So in this video, we're going to be hunting the Alabama public land in eastern Alabama, actually. And I'm going to kind of help you guys along the way in the first part of this video just because I lost some of the footage from my second angle cameras, and so it'll look kind of odd if I'm just talking and you don't see my face. I'm sure some of you don't mind if you don't see my face, but at any rate, let's head into day one, Alabama public land.
Down here on a ridge trying to get a turkey to gobble to my owl hooch. You can probably hear the interstate. It's off behind me about a quarter mile or so. It's gonna make it difficult to hear. That's if I can even get a bird to gobble or one gobble on its own. But it's the first day here in Alabama. Coming in here blind. Picked a spot on the map that looked like it'd be good for covering a lot of ground, some hills mixed with pines and hardwoods. It's creeks, a couple creeks meeting together. So I mean, it looks like turkey habitat. Got a gas pipeline right away going, cutting right across it. So I'm gonna spend the morning just kind of walking around, trying to locate birds, maybe set up and blind call a little bit, getting a feel for the area. Should be some birds in here. I mean, it looks good. It looks like good turkey habitat. No idea how much pressure this particular area has gotten, but we'll see. I think he's straight ahead. I'm not sure. He's gobbled twice for sure. I think he just gobbled again. There's so much noise around here. There's a train in that direction, the interstate that way. And then I'm on this little ridge with the valleys around me, and sounds are just coming from everywhere. He's gobbled, but I can't tell where he's gobbling from. All right, I finally got a beat on this bird. That was the right decision, getting up on the hill. And he was definitely a different direction I thought. He's back towards the truck where I came in from, but he's on the right side, farther, I'm not sure which direction that would be. Sounds like he's up on that pine ridge or on over. I'm gonna take this trail and come in behind him. Just had a bird gobble down below me.
So I locate a gobbler, end up chasing him across the hills all morning, and before he eventually works on the private land, and I can't follow him anymore. And so I decide to head into town and get a bite to eat. Just so happens the guys from the hunting public, and if you've never heard of the hunting public, you should if you like turkey hunting. Go check out some of their videos. I'll put a card up above me in the video, and you can click on it. It'll take you to their channel. But at any rate, they just so happened to be in town the same time I was. They were hunting a few miles away from me. And I'll let you see Aaron's hunt that morning while I was chasing that gobbler, what he was getting into.
Get ready, Jake, he's coming. He's coming right up through here. Hustle, hustle. He's gonna be right up here with us. This turkey's coming. He's just over on the next ridge. And Mike dropped down behind us over here, back here to the left. He's trying to bring that turkey over top of this ridge. It's gonna be a quick show. He's gonna pop his head up and we're gonna get a shot maybe, but the bird's coming. He's gonna reel him right past us.
Mike's moving around back behind us even further.
Back there.
Moving around the ridge.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be perfect.
You may need to get around this tree a little bit.
Let me know when you see him. Yeah, here. I don't see him. He's behind the tree for me. Got him. Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Mike's looking at me like, what did you just do?
You don't hear him flopping, do you?
He come to the tree that you were sitting at calling down in there. Yeah, I better keep that. That's gonna be all I end up
I
with.
wrote it like Peter wrote it on the rock.
Yeah,
I couldn't make a better script for you.
I know it, man. I missed him.
If I can get
Oh, okay.
one just to hammer and just play with me a little bit, play the game a little while, that'll be enough right there. That'll be
Well,
fine.
if you could have been with me this morning, we could have done that.
I wouldn't have missed. I can promise you that.
Easy now, killer.
No, I shouldn't
As
say
soon
that.
as you say that,
I'll go out this
yeah,
afternoon. I'll
yeah,
miss.
and you'll
Yeah,
be,
don't
you'll
say
come,
that.
I'll unload my gun.
You'll be coming
Don't say
back,
that.
and you won't even want to say it because you'll say, I mean,
I done made that mistake. I said that a couple years ago, and ever since I've been missing.
yeah, you don't.
Didn't miss before I said that. Literally didn't for, well over a decade. And then I said that, and just got in my head, and now I can't hit them to save my life.
How it all kind of comes on.
Well, I instantly regretted saying what I just told Aaron about not missing if I was in his position, because we all know if you turkey hunted long enough that it's easy to miss a bird. I think it's sometimes easier to miss a bird than it is to kill him. But anyway, we parted ways, went off to hunt that afternoon. I was unsuccessful locating any birds, roosting any birds. So I kind of went into a new area the next morning, just kind of blindly. I had a friend suggest a couple spots that I might want to try, so I went to one of them and just hoping that there would be a bird there.
We're in Alabama today. This is our second morning here. Yesterday I hunted and located one bird at daybreak, but I spent most of the morning chasing him. He gobbled a few times, just enough to keep me in the chase, but he was moving quick and I couldn't keep up, and then he went silent after he dragged me about a half mile or so through the woods. We got one gobbling here this morning, and we're gonna see what we can do with him. coyote just tried to sneak in on me. But 25 yards behind me, maybe. Missed him. Oh man, he saw me against this tree. Caught me off guard. I heard him spitting and drumming. Probably shouldn't have said anything to Aaron Warburton yesterday that I wouldn't miss. I said that jokingly, of course, and this bird caught me off guard. I was sitting here ready, just in case the bird came in silent. And he's been quiet for a while. Had a coyote slip in earlier. And so I set my gun down, got my phone out to check out the maps, contemplating my next move. And while I'm looking at my map, I hear, and I'm like, uh-oh, gobbler's coming. And I didn't want to move too quick because I didn't know exactly where he was at, but I got my gun partly up and he was out there in front of me. He got nervous and he started to leave. And man, did I shoot over? I don't know. I thought I got down on the gun, but apparently not. I'll give you guys a sense of what I had to put up with getting into this spot this morning. Now I walked back there about 3/4 of a mile or just under. And for the first half mile was basically this jungle you see in front of me. Let's see if I can just trying to figure out how to get through this. Now, if I didn't have, oh gosh. All right, let's go. Let's try this way. This place is loaded with thorns too. That's what got my chin this morning. A thorny vine went straight right across my face. Luckily it was just my chin and not my eyeballs. And when I can find a little swampy spot like this, it sure is nice. Makes walking a lot easier. What we do to get a chance at a wild turkey.